So typically, if you listen the advice in tidbit from various sources, you have to do all the work. Means you have to select the scheme, you have to rebalance it, you have to monitor each and everything what is happening, and finally, of course, you have to maintain the record, because from different sources, different information will come. You have to put everything in the Excel sheet and again see what is happening.
Right.
That is one way.
और लॉस हुआ तो किसके पास जाए? फिर
लॉस
समझ
हुआ
नहीं
तो
आएगा.
मतलब अभी तुम 10 जन से सुन के
Where should we
किए
blame us?
तो you have to select
whom to
whose
blame
advice
now.
has not gone correct, so you have to go there.
Yeah.
The best way is, advisor mode,
Yeah.
where the advisor take care of the things.
All these things.
All these things.
Okay.
So he does an analysis about you, does a proper risk assessment, find out your goal, create the portfolio, then periodically rebalance it
Okay.
from time to time. Because as you know, no particular asset class gives you return year after year. Something performed for some year or for a particular number of years, then another asset class does well. So you have to mix and match the different asset class to get the optimum return.
Okay.
So somebody has to do that. There is no rocket science as such that any person with average intelligence or average knowledge IQ can do it. But the point comes, can you do the justice to the things? Because when the size of the money getting little larger, it's become extremely difficult. Because you will be focusing on your say business or your profession. So you will not have so much time to do all these things. So you need a professional who does all this analysis. So create a portfolio, rebalance it, monitor it, give you the reporting, and most important is that also clarify your doubts from time to time. Okay, so if somebody is doing all these things, then your work is very, very minimal.
Right.
You need not to really work for all these things. So practically speaking, if you do it yourself, you have to do everything. So you have to do a lot of work. If you take the help of professionals, professional advisor, then perhaps you need not to do any work. Because once the money is allotted to the mutual fund, it is the mutual fund manager which manages the portfolio. And if you have hired a good advisor, the advisor take care of balancing it.
Okay.
So your job is entirely done.